Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you this all-new 2020 Sea Ray 310 SLX. This is a beautiful boat. It has the nice tan interior. We got the nice seating back here. As we walk in, there is a cooler underneath there. Your battery switches are right there as well. There's a nice little step there. As we step down into the cockpit, you can see it's very roomy. There's a room for a table there, so if you're just gonna hang around, eat, drink, there's plenty of space for everyone. Sink. A little cooler underneath there. We got the double companion seat with bolster. This does spin around. So you can face aft and face all your guests as well. We've got the helm seat here, double helm seat with a bolster as well. This does have the twin Mercury 4.5 liter 250 horsepower engines. It does have the Fusion stereo upgraded, so it's got the subwoofer and the speakers. We got twin Simrad touchscreens on this as well. We've got the very spacious head right in here. Nicely appointed, very Sea Ray. Got the nice walkthrough. There's storage on the floor there. Huge bow on the 310. Easily fit 5, maybe even 6 people. Looking back into the cockpit, we do have the optional hardtop on the 310. There's speakers up in the hardtop, as well as the shade. Now that can be the convertible shade, so it can be pulled out and you can open up and have a full air flowing through. Lots of space on this 310. And it does come with the sheer shade as well that can be actuated and pushed all the way out to cover everybody that's sitting in the back as well. If you want to see this boat a little closer, come on down to MarineMax of Rogers and take a look.